Hi guys, with another video. I am gonna complete to fix today this hair dryer. Let me fix it and let me on. Okay, previous video, I want to try to solder from here, but I wasn't able to. What I did, I changed my way to do this way. I cut it as you see right there, the cable, and put together. Burning. Okay, anyway. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna solder this together right here. As you see, let me make it closer. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, right there. So right here, I'm gonna use a little bit. All right, just fair enough, just like this. And as you see, this is the way it is. Okay. Okay, same way the other one, right underneath one, right there. Okay. As you see. A little bit more maybe. Okay. Right there. A little bit here. Okay. Right. Almost done. See, okay. A little bit more here. Okay, what I'm gonna do. So this is done. Let me pull the cable. I don't want the accident happens. So as you see, this is the tube. As you see, I just put here, right there, and I'm gonna cover on top of this cable. And when I put the lighter, and it's gonna shrink and covers completely nice way. Yeah, I just gonna do that. Let me see how it's. Oh, let me put a little bit more on backside of. Hold on a minute. All right, let me put a little bit more underneath. Needs a little bit more here. Let me pause the video. I don't want to take your time, guys. Hold on a minute. Yeah. Also, I did underneath, and then I solder it, and now it's so strong. Uh, let's go ahead and pull this tube all the way right there. Okay, this too. What happens? See? Let's light it, and it's gonna shrink. Oh, too much. Okay, like this. Shrink it. Right there. Okay, like this. All the way around. Then it's gonna be safe. Alright, right there. As you see, all the way it's shrink now. Perfect. Yeah, this is wonderful. That's it. You know, after that, just assemble together and just use it. And you don't need to throw the whatever you have old hair dryer. You don't need to throw and repair it and then use it again. So okay, thank you for watching and see you soon with another video. Alright guys, this is the Revlon hair dryer. All right, bye.